Today we're making Tex Mex Sloppy Joes. So let's get cooking. For our Tex Mex Sloppy Joes, we're going to need some ground beef, onion, garlic, ketchup, chopped green chilies, beef broth, chili sauce, chili powder, cumin, red pepper flakes, and I'm using Flatiron Company red pepper flakes, dark and smoky. I'll include a link for that in the description. Salt, black pepper, and some hamburger buns. So for our Tex-Mex Sloppy Joes, the first thing we're going to do is need to brown our ground beef. And I've got roughly 1.5 pounds of 80/20 ground beef. I'm going to put this in our pot. I'm breaking it up a little bit. And as always, we need to make sure and wash our hands because we are dealing with raw meat. So we are going to cook this down till it's no longer pink, which is going to take about 5 to 10 minutes. And then we're going to drain off the excess fat. Forgot to mention we also need to add in our onions to the ground beef while this is going as well. Alright, so our ground beef is done and I've already drained it. So to this we're going to add in 2 minced cloves of garlic, and we're going to let this cook for about a minute or so, and then we're going to start adding in our other ingredients. So we've let our garlic cook for an additional minute, so now we need to start adding in the remainder of our ingredients. So we are going to be adding in a 1/2 cup of beef broth, 1 can of diced green chilies, 1 cup of ketchup, a 1/4 cup of chili sauce. Give this a quick stir here. And then we're going to add in the following seasoning. We are going to add in a teaspoon of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin, a 1/4 teaspoon of red or pepper flakes. You can use red pepper flakes. I am using Flatiron's dark and smoky blend, and salt and pepper. So we're going to give this a stir. And we're going to let this cook for about 15 to 30 minutes uncovered. And we're going to stir it every now and then to make sure nothing. Alright, so this has been simmering for about 20 minutes. So everything is good and it's got a nice thickness to it. So let's get started and build us some sloppy joes. Okay, so we've got us some toasted hamburger buns here. So we're going to take these and we're going to put a nice spoonful of the sloppy joe mix on there. Top this off, and then we are going to serve this up with some chips. If you want, you can add some sliced jalapenos. So this is it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. New videos are posted every Tuesday at 4 p.m. And until next time, enjoy.